If you can see the difference here compared to here, it actually looks. Morning everybody, 5-4 Weekend Adventures, and today we are going to restore our propane cover. I know most of you have this issue, and I tried everything, magic eraser, and it doesn't really take it out. Now doing research, I'm going to find out, you can see how this side comes out, that you can get the Crayon Fusion no peel matte white. I'll have to get you the number. I'll get you the link where I bought it from. And this is supposed to be for the cover for plastic, metals, anything that you need. But if you can see the difference here compared to here, it actually looks pretty good. Now, one thing I am going to say is look at it. Like I said, Crayon Fusion. Follow, share, and subscribe. Hit me back up in a couple of weeks, a month or so, and I'll give you an update and tell you exactly how it's looking or how it goes. Again, the Crayon Fusion all-in-one matte finish. Thank you for watching, and I'm going to do this side now. Let's see what it looks like afterwards.